Hello students, good afternoon. Myself Swapna, Mathematics faculty from EDUHUNT IIT and NEET Academy. I hope everybody is doing well, right? So students, do you remember what we have discussed in the last session? We have discussed worksheet number 4 in the coordinate geometry up to 5th question, right? So today we are going to discuss about the problems of worksheet number 4. Let's begin the session, right? So here comes the first question of the session. Determine P so that the points be collinear P, 1, 5, 5, next 10, 7. So you need to find the value of P over here, right? So what you have to find out here? You have to find the value of P here. So in order to find the value of P, so all the points be collinear. Collinear means you know the definition of collinear. All my points should lie on the same line. Correct. So what are the points which are given? P, 1. Next point is 5, 5. Next point is 10, 7. Right. So if all the 3 points lies on the same line, then we can conclude those 3 points are collinear. We also know about one other property of collinear, that is nothing but if it is collinear, we have area of triangle is equals to 0. So if it is collinear points, if all the 3 points is collinear, we have area of triangle ABC is equals to 0. We have area of triangle ABC is equals to 0, right? So let's find out the area of triangle. You very familiar with the area of triangle formula. What is area of triangle formula? If you know with 3 vertices. So what is it? Half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the area of triangle formula, right? So half, what is x1 here? So let me name the 3 given points. x1, y1, this is x2, y2, this is x3, y3. Okay, x3, y3. So what is x1 here? P. P into y2 minus y3. What is y2 minus y3? 5 minus, what is y3? 7. Plus, what is x2 here? Again 5. What is y3 here? 7 minus, what is y1? 1. Plus, what is x3 here? 10. What is y1 here? 1 minus, what is y2 here? 5. Correct? So I have substituted all the values here, right? So let's simplify the problem, okay? So let's simplify this. So what I am getting? Half area of triangle should equal to 0, right? If it is collinear, you have to make area of triangle 0. So multiply with this. P plus 5 minus 7 is minus 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 into 5 is 30. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Minus 4 into 10, which is minus 40, right? So transform 2 to that side. 2 into 0 will become 0, right? So this will become minus 2p plus 30 minus 40 is minus 10. Take minus common, but it is there inside the modulus function. Mod never be negative, so it will open as plus 2p plus 10. So what it will happen? 2p is equals to minus 10. P value is equal to minus 5. 10 divided by 2 is minus 5. Option A will be the answer. Just look into this problem so that we will be getting back to next question. Please have a look into it. Am I clear with this? Done? Chalo. So we will be getting back to next question. So what is my next question here? Just read out the question. Determine P so that the points P be collinear P, 2P, 2P, 6P, 3, 8. Here also again we are given with 3 different points, and again you have to find the value of P, right? We have solved many number of problems in the question. So let's start the problem. So if it is collinear points, we know that area of triangle is equal to 0. So what is area of triangle formula? Half modulus of x1 minus h2. This is another notation form of area of triangle, right? So you can use any formula which you want. x1 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y3. So this is my area of triangle formula. Yes or no? Yeah. So we'll just address the points which were given. So what is my first point? P comma 2p is equal to x1 comma y1. Next, 2p comma 6p is equal to x2 comma y2. Next, 3 comma 8 is equal to x3 comma y3. So here we are given with 3 different points. Let's substitute in the formula, right? So what is the formula here? I am having half area of triangle is equal to 0 if it is a collinear point, right? x1 minus x2. So what you are going to take? P minus 2p and this is p minus 3. Next, 2p minus y1 minus y2, 2p minus 6p and this is 2p minus 8. Correct. So 2 transform that side, it will become 0. So 0 is equals to what I will have? P minus 2p is minus p and this is 2p minus 6p is minus 4p. This is as usual p minus 3, 2p minus 8. So I told you, right? So if it is in the format of A, B, C, D, just do the cross multiplication and the formula is AD minus BC in the determinant form, right? So let's cross multiply these both. What you will have? 0 is equal to minus p into 2p minus 8 minus of, this is again minus 4p into p minus 3, correct? So let's simplify this. 0 is equals to minus p into 2p which is minus 2p square, right? So minus into minus plus 8p. So what this will become? Minus into minus plus 4p into p minus 3, correct? So 0 is equal to minus 2p square plus 8p plus multiply these both, 4p square plus into minus is minus 4 3s are 12p. Am I clear up to this? Everybody is clear up to this? Chalo. So what is the next step we are going to get? 0 is equal to minus 2p square plus 4p square which is plus 2p square, which is plus 2p square, plus 8p minus 12p which is minus 4p, which is minus 4p. So from this 0 is equal to, take 2p as common, what will be left over? P minus 2, p minus 2. So from this what you are going to get? You will be getting transform 2p to that side, 0 divided by 2p, it will become again 0. 0 is equal to p minus 2, transform 2 to that side, what it will become? P is equal to 2. P is equal to 2. So this will be the first option. So what is the answer that you can see from the among options? Can you please tell me? What is the answer you are going to see here? What is the answer? Can you see found? Can you found 2 in the options? No, right? It will be none. The answer is none. Right? I hope I am clear with this question. Right? Just have a glance of the problem so that we will be getting back to next one. Make it fast. If you are done with it, we will be getting back to next one. So what is my next question? Yeah. If 1 comma minus 1, 6 comma minus 6, 4 comma k form a triangle of area 10 square units, then find the k. You need to find the value of k. Again they were given you the 3 vertices over here. So what in which method I am going to find? As usual, it is finding a triangle. Those 3 are vertices of triangle. Let me express 1 comma minus 1, 6 comma minus 6, and this one 4 comma k. These are the three vertices of triangle, okay, which is having area is 10 square units. So what is the area of triangle? You know about area of triangle, half x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, just a minute, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y3 is equal to how much? Which is area of triangle. Which is area of triangle. This is the formula of area of triangle, right? So what you are going to do from this? What you are going to do from this? Chalo. So we'll substitute all the values in the given question. Yes or no? So let's substitute all the values. Let this be x1 comma y1. Let this be x2 comma y2. Right? Let this be x3 comma y3. x3 comma y3. So what I am going to do from this question? See, half, what is x1 minus x2? Tell me, what is x1 minus x2? x1 is 1. What is x2 here? 6. And this is 1 minus what is x3 here? 4. What is y1? Minus 1 minus what is y2? Minus 6. Minus of minus is plus 6. Minus 1 plus 6. What is y1? Again it is minus 1. Next, minus what is y3 here? Minus k. Modulus close. What is area of triangle given? The area of triangle this time it is given as 10 square units. Right. Transform 2 to that side, what it will become? 20. Right. Plus 1 minus 6 is minus 5. And minus 1 plus 6 is plus 5. This is minus 3. Minus 1 minus k, which is equals to 20. Right. So this is under mod. So it will become AD minus BC, right? So just multiply this, what it will become? Minus 5 into minus 1 minus k minus 5 into 3. Transform modulus to that side, it will become, if you are transforming modulus function to that side, it will become plus or minus 20. It will become plus or minus 20. There may be a chances of modulus function can be either positive or negative, right? So this mod, if you are transforming to negative to that side, it will become either plus or minus 20, right? Chalo. So let's multiply these both. So what you are going to get? Minus 5 into minus 1, which is plus 5. Minus 5 into minus k, which is plus 5k. Plus into plus is minus, correct? So this is actually minus 3, right? So this will become plus. 5 3 is 15 and this is under plus or minus 20, right? 15 plus 5 is 20. So 5k plus 20 is equal to plus 20, or we may get the value 5k plus 20 is equal to minus 20. There may be two possible cases. If, for suppose, let me take the first case. If 5k plus 20 is equal to 20, cancel 20 on both sides, what you will be left over with? 5k is equal to 0, then k value is equal to 0, right? So what is the case 2? Case 2, what is the case 2? We have 5k plus 20 is equal to minus 20. Right? Why do you got plus 20 and minus 20? Because whenever you are transforming modulus function, it will be either plus and minus. It takes both the signs, right? So yeah, so 5k is equal to minus 20. If you are transforming to that side, it will become minus 20 is minus 40. So k value is minus 8. So here you got the two options, which is 0 or minus 8. Just have a glance of the problem. Make it fast. Done. So can you found both the options in both the answers in the options? No. Then in that case the answer will be none. Understood? Please go through with it. Understood? If you are done with it, we'll be getting back to next question. Please look into it. Make it fast. Done? Chalo. We'll be getting back to next question. If A is equals to 6 comma 3, B minus 3 comma 5, C 4 comma minus 2, D x comma 3x. So you are given with 4 different vertices. You need to find the value of x over here. They gave the condition under triangle DBC is equal to half of triangle, area of triangle ABC. So here a very simple case. Let me start the problem. So this is the given particular condition which is there in the question. So first let me find out the value of area of triangle DBC. So let's write the values. D is equal to B is equal to C is equal to, what is D here? X comma 3x. What is B here? Minus 3 comma 5. What is C here? 4 comma minus 2. So let us name this vertices x1 y1, x2 y2, and this is x3 comma y3. Right. So first I need to find out the area of triangle BDC, because this is the one, right? DBC or BDC. So let me take area of triangle is equals to half modulus of, what is the formula? x1 minus x2 and x1 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y3. This is my area of triangle formula, right? So what I am going to do, I will substitute all my values in order to find the area of triangle DBC, right? Chalo. So half. So what is x1 over here? Just substitute, which is x, minus what is x2 here? Minus 3, minus of minus is plus 3. So as usual, this is also x over here, right? X minus x3. What is x3? Minus 4. Done with this. Chalo. Next, y1 minus y2. What is y1? Which is 3x minus, what is y2? y2 is 5, and again this is 3x. What is y3? Minus 2. Minus of minus is plus 2. So let's simplify this. Half x plus 3, and this is 3x minus 5 as usual. We'll get the same thing. So this will be the last step of area of triangle DBC, right? So let's also find out the area of triangle ABC. So what you got? Area of triangle ABC. Let's substitute half area of triangle ABC. Half, what is x1 here? x1 is 6 minus, what is x2 here? Minus 3. Minus of minus is plus 3. 6 minus, what is x3 here? 4. Correct. Next, y1 minus y2. What is y1 here? 3 minus, what is y2 here? 5. 3 minus, what is y3 here? Minus 2. Minus of minus is plus 2. Right. So I have substituted all the values in the area of triangle ABC. Let's simplify it. Okay. So what is the thing I am going to get? Half. 6 plus 3 is how much? Tell me. 6 plus 3 is 9, and this is 3 minus 5 is minus 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Correct. 6 minus 4 is 2, and this is 3 plus 2 is 5. Correct. So I am having both the area of triangles, this and this. Right, this and this. So let's substitute in the given particular question. Okay, chalo. In the area of triangle DBC is exactly equivalent to half modulus x plus 3, 3x minus 5, and this is x minus 4, 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2, which is equal to half of, again you have one more half, half of half. This is 9 minus 2, 2, 5. Correct? Cancel halves on both sides. What is the thing you are going to get? Just multiply, cross multiply it. So what you are going to get? X plus 3 into 3x plus 2. Similarly, minus 3x minus 5 into x minus 4, which is half. What you are going to get from here? This is under modulus, right? Half. What you're going, 9 5s is 45, minus of minus is plus 4, right? Minus of minus is plus 4. So I hope everybody are clear up to this extent. Please look into the problem so that we'll be getting back to next one. Please look it, make it fast. Done? Chalo. We'll be continuing the next part of the question. X into 3x is 3x square, right? X into 2 is plus 2x, 3 into 3x is 9x, 3 into 2 is 6, minus, what is this value will become? 3x into 3x is 3x square, right? And this one plus 3x into minus 4 is minus 12x, minus 5 into x is minus 5x, next minus into minus plus 5 fourths is 20, and this is under modulus, close it off. So what you are going to get? 45 plus 4 is 49 by 2, right? So this is under modulus. Modulus 49 by 2. Clear up to this, everybody? Everybody are done? Can I get back to next one? Yeah. So what I am going to do here, please check it. So we'll simplify it out. Plus 3x square minus 3x square. I'll represent with other color. See, plus 3x square minus 3x square will get cancelled, right? So minus 12x and this is minus 5x, which is minus 17x. Minus minus is plus 17x. Plus 17 plus 9 is how much? Plus 17 plus 9. 17 minus 9 is how much? Just concentrate, tell me, make it fast. Make it fast. Tell me, minus 12 minus 5 is minus 17, minus minus and this is plus. So this value you are having 7, 9x, correct? 9 plus 17, 7, 7, 14, 15, this is 25x, correct? This is 26x, 26x plus one more 2x is there, which is 26 plus 2 is 28x, 28x. So you are done with x terms. So you only left over with 6, and this is how much? Plus 20, minus into plus is minus 20, plus 6 minus 20 is how much? Minus 14 is equal to mod, take mod, which will have plus or minus by 2. Plus or minus by 2. I hope I am clear with this. Am I done? Clear? So shall we get back to next part of the question? Yeah. So what is the next part of the question? Transform 2 to that side. What it will become? 2 into 28x minus 14 is equal to plus 49, or 2 into 28x minus 14 is equal to minus 49. Minus 49. Yes or no? So just multiply it with 2. So what you are going to get? Let's simplify it. 2 into 28 is 56x. 14 into minus 2 is how much? Minus 28. Transform that side. So it will become 49 plus 28. So what is 49 plus 28? 9, 8, 17, 4, 2, 6, which is 7. So x is equal to 77 upon 56. 7 11s are 7 8s are. So what is the answer? It is 11 divided by 8. It is 11 divided by 8, which is clearly visible in the option A. Which is clearly visible in the option A. Let's also check with the second case. What is my second case? 2 into 28 is 56x. So this is minus 28. If you are transforming to that side, it will become minus 49 plus 28. So what is 49 minus 28? 49 minus 28 is 1, 2, which is minus 21. So here you got, I am just writing the continuation part here. 56x is equal to 56x is equal to what you are got here? Minus 49 plus 28 you got in the format like minus 21 divided by 56. So cancel 7 3s, 7 8s. So what is the value of x I got here? Minus 3 by 8 or 11 by 8. So the first one will be the answer. Out of which anyone can be the answer, right? So here I got 11 by 8 as an option. So which is option A. Please have a look into it. So we'll be getting back to next question. Make it fast. If you are done with it, we'll be getting back to next one. Chalo. So it's very simple. I only find out the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DBC. As per the condition, I substituted both the values and I made equal. In the question itself, they have given it as a condition. I substituted both the values here, and half I just cancelled. So if you have AD BC under modulation, you need to cross multiply it, which is AD minus BC. That's what I have done here, right? So after I multiplied it and I simplified the function, and yes, modulus function can be turned over in the form of plus or minus, so that I got two equations. So I got two possible values of x, but x is equal to minus 3 by 8, which is not there in the given options. So that is the reason we got even x value is equal to plus 11 by 8. That is what I have taken here. Understood? Am I clear? So let's get back to next one. So what is my next question? Find the area of triangle. You need to find the area of triangle here. So let's draw the figure first. Area of triangle I have to take, and what are the coordinates? The coordinates of the middle points whose sides are 3, minus 5. So first one is 3, minus 5. So here the coordinates are given, which is actually the midpoints of triangle. So those are not actual vertices. So those are midpoints of given triangle. First one is 3, minus 5. Second one is 5, 3, and third one is 1, minus 3. So here you are given with three different vertices, right? So let us name these vertices A, B, and C. So we are having three vertices here, and we are having midpoints over here, right? So what you need to do? Find the area of triangle, right? So what is area of triangle? Area of triangle formula is half modulus x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y3. This is my area of triangle, correct? But x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are the coordinates of vertices but not midpoints. This point you should be very much clear. Here we are given with the midpoints of a triangle but not vertices of triangle. So first the main task is to find out the vertices of triangle with the help of midpoints. I already told you this particular concept. I told you some tricky technique also in the last worksheet. You just go through to find out the technique one, so that you will be finding very easy with it. So what is the technique? I'll be recalling it. Just listen. In order to find the vertex of A, what you should do? ఏ రెండు లైన్స్ అయితే కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉన్నాయో ఏ వర్టెక్స్కి, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద టూ లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్స్ ఆర్ బీయింగ్ కనెక్టెడ్ విత్ ద పర్టికులర్ వర్టెక్స్, యాడ్ x coordinates and subtract the remaining vertex from it. That means, so for suppose XA is being connected with AB and AC, right? AB and AC. So add x coordinates of these both, x1 plus x2 minus x3. This is the shortcut. Do you remember? x1 plus x2 minus x3, y1 plus y2 minus y3. Yes. So what I am going to do here? 3 plus 5, 8. 8 minus 1, 7. First one is done. Next, minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Minus of minus 3 is plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So first my A vertex is becoming 7, 1. Done. It is becoming 7, 1. So let's also find out the vertex of B over here. So what are the two vertex line segments which are joining AB and BC? So find out this. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 5, which is minus 1. Next, minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. Minus 8 minus 3, minus 8 minus 3 is minus 11. I hope I am clear with it. What is the first vertex? First vertex is 7, 1. Second vertex is minus 1, minus 11. Done. Understood? So we are left over with finding third vertex. So C vertex is being connected with this line segment and this line segment. Correct. So add x coordinates first. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus of minus 3. You need to add this both. 3 minus 3, 0. 0 minus of minus 5, which is plus 5. So the last vertex is 3, 5 over here. Right. So we'll be substituting the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 in the particular formula. Let's start the problem. Right. So half. So let's substitute all the values of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 in the particular question. So what I am having, half modulus of what is x1? 7 minus what is x2, which is minus 1. Correct? Minus of minus is plus 1. Next 7 minus what is x3 here? 3. Next what is y1? Y1 is 1. Next what is y2? Y2 is minus 11. Minus of minus is plus 11. Right? Next again it is 1. What is y3? Minus 5. Correct? So this is area of triangle. Yes. So what I am going to have, half 7 plus 1 is 8 and this is 12. 7 minus 3 is 4. 1 minus 5 is minus 5. Minus 4. So just cross multiply it. Half 8 into minus 4, which is minus 32. Correct? Minus 4 12s is 48. So half modulus will be negative. 32 plus 48, which is 80. 2 1s to 40s. So what is the answer? 40 square units. 40 square units. So the answer will be option C. So the answer will be option C. Am I clear? Have a glance of the problem so that we'll be getting back to next one. Make it fast. Chalo. We'll be getting back to the next question. So what is my next one? Here you are having area of triangle formed by the vertices 154, 338, 164, 328 and the last vertex is 174, 318. So let's find out area of triangle and what is the formula? Half x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y3. This is my area of triangle formula, right? Yes or no? Just a minute. Yeah. So area of triangle I need to find out. So let's substitute all the values here. 1 by 2. What is x1 here? 154 minus. What is x2 here? 164. 154 minus. What is x3? 174. Similarly, what is y1 here? 338 minus 328. 338 minus 318. Correct. So half 154 minus 164 is minus 10 and 338 minus 328 is plus 10. 154 minus 174 is minus 20. 338 minus 318 is plus 20. Correct. So take minus common in the first column. So anyhow, just multiply these both. So what you are going to get? Half minus 10 into minus 20, AD minus BC, which is minus 200, minus into minus plus, which is plus 200. Cancel. So 1 by 2 into 0, which is 0 square units. So what is the answer? Option D. It's option D. I hope everybody is clear with today's session. With this, we have completed worksheet number 4. In our next session, we are going to discuss about the concept of slope and the problems based on it. I hope everybody enjoyed the today's session. I also practice more number of questions based on today's session. Until and unless, bye. Thank you all.